insane how good this looks.
Hello everybody and welcome back to mikkelvr. Today in this video I'm going to be unboxing the Valve Index. Just bought a brand new Valve Index the other day, so I'm going to be unboxing it and showing it to you guys. If you guys like the video, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Also, if you guys would like to know why I switched from the Oculus Quest 2 to the Valve Index, let me know down in the comments below and I will make that my next video. Anyways, let's get right into it. So these are the base stations and wall chargers that it comes with, and this is the way I did my pulley setup. I did kind of a 3 different points of weight distribution and then one main pulley. Then I have my base station up on the wall. It's stuck to the wall with Velcro. So that is the way I set it up. Now the actual setup for the Valve Index is extremely simple, so there's no need for you guys to see me go through that. To be testing out the Valve Index and showing you guys my initial reactions to it, I'm just going to show you some clips of me playing Half-Life Alyx on the Valve Index.
Wow.
Weird though. Whoa. More floating cardboard.
Oh, I see. I get it. It's top. Second to the top. Right, and second to the top bottom. Interesting.
Attention, please. Access is not permitted. Anti-citizen scavenging will result in immediate capital prosecution.
Alyx, you alright? What's wrong?
I'm fine, Russell. What's up?
I'm losing your signal. Alyx? Alyx? If you can still hear me, keep heading in the same direction and try to get above ground.
Russell? Russell? This is weird. Oh.
The Alyx fans, you received my messages.
I did?
Come.
Well guys, if you made it this far into the video, thank you so much for watching until the end. Also, if you haven't already, please make sure to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Let me know what you thought of these insane plays. Also, please hit that notification bell. That way you guys know when a new video releases. Because trust me, there will be a lot more where this came from. Anyways, guys, that's going to be it for me, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.